losses must always be smaller than your winners. Yo man, what's good? Good morning. It's currently Monday, first trading day of the week. You know how we do it. It's currently 9 a.m. in my country time, about like something like that. And I'm gonna trade at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time, but it's actually a little bit later in the day in my country. So because that's the New York time, New York Stock Exchange will open at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. So I have still some time. I'm gonna record one video to YouTube. Then I'm going to hit the gym, eat, shower, and then I'm gonna hop on the call in the Discord with my students. Gonna live trade. Yeah, man. I will update you guys, and you know how it goes. New week, man. New week. Let's have a great week, and good productivity. Okay. I'm gonna recording this video as well. Just produce, man. Produce and develop always. Yo, what's good, man? So I just finished up recording this one video, and I'm about to edit. I'm gonna edit it like later in the day, but it was a really valuable video, and stay tuned because it will be uploaded like relatively soon into this channel. But I'm just gonna give you a hint. It is what I talk about in this video, in that video. Bro, you need to get those psychological wins, and you need to believe, bro. It all starts in here. It all starts in the mind, okay? Because if you cannot believe in something, if you cannot believe in your goals, if you cannot believe that you will succeed, you won't do the effort. You won't do the effort that is needed for you to accomplish your goals, okay? So, man, you gotta just believe in yourself. And the thing that I was talking about in that video was, when I made my first good amount of money in trading, like my first, back when I started trading with crypto futures. Nowadays I trade, with, stock indexes. But when I made that money, that allowed me to see that it's real. That allowed me to see that the thing works. And I think that's the biggest thing that allowed me to become profitable in trading. Now I've been profitable for 1.5 years, man. It was hard, man. I was unprofitable for 2 years. Okay, I was unprofitable for 2 years. But it was all worth it. Why? Because, nowadays, I have the ability and the skill that nobody can take from me. Okay? I can make money in these markets, but I'm also able to teach it now to have an impact. I'm seeing a lot of progress from my viewers, from my students in the Discord. So, man, believe, okay? That's the key, okay? That's the key to life. You gotta believe. You don't understand. You have to understand how powerful our mind is, okay? Think about how powerful your mind is. Your mind has the ability to stop you from working, but your mind has the ability to make you work towards your goals. Think about how powerful that is. Obviously, I'm not saying that, I'm not saying that you're just, I'm gonna think about my goals and I will achieve. No, you have to just believe that it works and then put the work in. Okay, the work is what moves the player on the board, but the mind allows you to do that. Okay, you understand? But now I finished up the video, like I told you. I'm gonna drink some coffee, hit the gym, come home, eat a bunch of food, and then I'm gonna live trade with my students in the Discord. So, man, I'm gonna go to the gym, hit some back and also arms. You know how we do it. Calm day so far, productive. That's what you gotta do. Show up every single day, man, whether you feel like it or not. If you really want to achieve your goals. Okay? Man, what a good gym session. I just drank like a protein shake that I bought from the store, but like 25 grams of protein. But yeah, I'm gonna go home now. Okay, bro, what's good? So I skipped this a little bit, I gotta be honest, totally honest. So basically I came from the gym, ate food, and chilled a little bit, and then I live traded with the Discord. I just finished up live trading. Today I had a rule that I'm gonna de-risk, and it was getting later into the session. Price was kind of consolidating, and I said if I find a trade, it was like 10:30 a.m. Eastern time. I said if I find a trade, I'm gonna de-risk heavily. That's what I do, okay, to make sure that my students are also risking the amount that I am risking, like percentage-wise. You know, I always make sure that my Discord, my members are getting the right information. That like not only do I show them when do I enter and why live stream, I also show them, am I going to risk more? Am I going to de-risk? Or is it going to be like a 1% risk, like mediocre risk? So they can actually benefit from all kinds of ways. But it was 10:30 a.m. Eastern time. I took the trade, de-risked heavily, and today was a loss. Okay, today was a loss. Unfortunate as it is, first loss in the week. And as transparent as I always get, I'm gonna show everything. And you may wonder, like, I know, you may wonder, like, wait. You are a profitable day trader who took a loss. What's gonna happen? What is going on? Of course, man. Profitable day traders take losses, but it's minimal compared to the winners. See, as day traders, we look at the long term, okay? We make money on the long term. And losses here and there are nothing compared to the winners, okay? It's September, okay? It's September. Already really profitable month. The previous months have been really profitable. Okay, we've been killing it, man. We've been killing it. And so far, like I told you, the month of September is profitable. Now, the thing here is, our losses must be minimal. Okay, they must be always smaller than our winners. For example, today I lost like $300. That's nothing compared, because my average winner, when I take my average winner, it's like from 700 or 650 to 1.5k. Okay, you see the difference? Because it's about the experience. When you know when to risk more and take a good risk ratio trade, it's beautiful, okay? And you also need to have the ability to know when to risk less. For example, today I de-risked it because it was Monday, it was getting later in the session, and the price action was kind of, it was okay, but it gave us the setup. But I de-risked, okay? That's how it goes, okay? And look, man, I'm showing everything, whether I lose or I win, because I know I'm profitable. You can literally just watch, okay? You can literally just watch my channel. Like, people in the Discord see me, they're making money. But the reason why I don't care to show my losses is because it doesn't benefit me. Like, my main source of income is from trading, not from courses. You have to understand, these gurus, they only show you the winners. Why? Because they want to promote their course. But it doesn't matter to me. I'm just here my main goal in this YouTube was to be the most transparent trader there is. How can I do that? By showing everything, by admitting there are losses, but they're minimal. So what can I do? I show the reality. And I show you what makes a profitable trader. I've been profitable for 1.5 years. I make money. But it's like taxes, tax expenses. Sometimes there could be losses. Just like a couple of weeks ago, I was killing it. Like, I was 8-0 winning streak. But here and there losses, that's completely cool. And like I told you, the winners must be always bigger than the losses. So it's like mini expenses. This should just be a wake-up call to you. If your mentor or whatever you're learning from, if your trading mentor or somebody tells you that, oh yeah, I never take losses. I never take no losses, man. Just buy my course and trust me. That should be a wake-up call, because he's lying to you. And why is he lying to you? To promote his course. Simple as that. And I think that's really unfortunate to see that in the industry, and it's really common to see that. Okay, I came here to be revolutionary, so that's why I'm doing that. And just only Monday, and still really profitable month so far. September, all the previous months, super profitable. If you guys know something about trading, if you guys know how does the trend move, uptrend, higher highs, higher lows, when it moves low, it moves only a little bit, and then when it moves up, it moves a lot. That is the key part of this video, okay? Hope you learned from this, okay? Your losses must always be smaller than your winners, using risk-reward ratio and knowing when to risk more and knowing when to risk less. And obviously have a good win rate, okay? When you have all of those, you're unbeatable. You have a skill that cannot be taken from you. But yeah, man, I came here to be revolutionary. I came here to be transparent. Here I am. But if you like this video, comment down below to think about this video and join the free Discord in the description. All right? Peace out.